In this video, we will optimize Windows 11 for gaming in 15 minutes, so your system can deliver better FPS, smoother gameplay, and more stable performance. Today, I'll show you the settings that help Windows focus its CPU and GPU resources on your game, instead of wasting them on unnecessary background tasks. So watch till the end, hit like and subscribe, and let's optimize Windows 11 for gaming the right way. First, press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, and open it from the search results. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes so the editor can launch. Once the Registry Editor opens, copy the exact registry path from the video description. Paste it into the address bar at the top and press Enter. This will take you directly to the Multimedia Scheduler settings. On the right side, locate the value called System Responsiveness. Double-click it and change the value to 0, then click OK. Setting this value to 0 tells Windows to stop reserving CPU time for background multimedia tasks. As a result, the system can dedicate more processing power to the active game, instead of keeping resources aside for background services. Now look at the left panel and expand the folder called Tasks. Then open the folder named Games. Inside this section, you will see several values that control how Windows schedules game workloads. First, double-click GPU priority and set its value to 8. This increases the GPU scheduling priority for gaming tasks, so graphics workloads from your game are handled before most background operations. Next, open priority and change its value to 6. This raises the CPU scheduling level for games, allowing the processor to prioritize the game process instead of background services competing for CPU time. Finally, open Scheduling category and change the value to High. This tells Windows to treat gaming workloads as high-priority multimedia tasks, so they receive faster scheduling decisions from the operating system. Once all values are configured, close the Registry Editor and restart your PC so the changes take effect. Think of this tweak like telling Windows that your game is the most important task on the system. Instead of dividing CPU and GPU time equally between background services and the game, Windows prioritizes the game's workload category, which can help improve frame consistency and reduce stutters during gameplay. Alright guys, press the Windows key, type Choose Power Plan, and open it from the search results. Once the window opens, select the High Performance Power Plan so your system prioritizes performance over power saving. After selecting it, click Change Plan Settings, then choose Change Advanced Power Settings so we can adjust the deeper hardware behavior. Inside the Advanced Settings window, start by expanding the Hard Disk section. Set Turn Off Hard Disk After to 0, which prevents Windows from putting storage devices into idle sleep states during gameplay. Next, expand the USB Settings section and set USB Selective Suspend setting to Disabled. This stops Windows from temporarily powering down USB devices like your mouse or keyboard while gaming. After that, expand the PCI Express category and set Link State Power Management to Off. This keeps the PCIe connection between your motherboard and GPU fully active, so the graphics card does not experience latency spikes when waking from a power-saving state. Now, scroll down and expand Processor Power Management. Set Minimum Processor State to 100%, and also set Maximum Processor State to 100%. This ensures your CPU remains ready to deliver full performance instead of constantly scaling up and down. Finally, click Apply to save all these changes. Think of this like putting your PC into full performance mode instead of eco mode. When power-saving features constantly slow hardware down and speed it back up, it can create small delays. Keeping everything in performance mode helps your system stay fully responsive and ready for gaming workloads. Now guys, if you're facing lag, ping spikes, or unstable connections in your online games, the Gear Up Booster is the perfect tool to fix those issues. Here's how to use it. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost: Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Now guys, press the Windows key, type View Advanced System Settings, and open it from the search results. Once the System Properties window appears, look for the Performance section and click Settings. You'll now see the Visual Effects tab. Select the option Adjust for Best Performance. This automatically disables most of the visual animations that Windows runs in the background. After that, manually enable only two options: Show Thumbnails instead of icons, and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. These keep the system usable while still removing unnecessary graphical overhead. Next, switch to the Advanced tab in the same window. Here, you'll find a setting called Processor Scheduling. Change it to Programs, then click Apply to save the changes. If Windows is busy rendering animations and giving equal CPU attention to background services, your game has to compete for resources. By simplifying visual effects and prioritizing programs, the system focuses more on the active game process, which helps maintain smoother performance during gaming sessions. Alright guys, now press the Windows key, open Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to Privacy and Security, then open the General section. Inside this menu, turn off the following options. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Show me suggested content in the Settings app. These features allow Windows and installed apps to track usage patterns and generate recommendations, which means background processes may keep running to maintain that data. Now go back and open Speech. Turn online speech recognition off. This stops Windows from sending voice data to cloud-based recognition services when voice features are active. After that, return again and open Inking and Typing Personalization. Turn Custom Inking and Typing Dictionary off. This prevents Windows from collecting typing data and maintaining personalized dictionaries. Next, open Diagnostics and Feedback. Here, turn Send Optional Diagnostic Data off, disable Tailored Experiences, and make sure Diagnostic Data Viewer is also off. A simple way to understand this is that these systems are like background analytics tools quietly monitoring how you use your PC. Even though each one uses a small amount of resources, together they can create unnecessary system activity. Disabling them helps reduce background processing so your system stays focused on delivering better gaming performance instead of collecting usage data. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Security and Maintenance, and open it from the search results. When the window opens, find the Maintenance section and click the small arrow to expand it. Inside this section, click on Change Maintenance Settings. You'll now see the option Allow Scheduled Maintenance to wake up my computer. Turn this option off so Windows does not automatically wake the system to run background maintenance tasks. Think of scheduled maintenance like Windows deciding to run a quick system check while you're in the middle of a match. Even if it only uses a small amount of resources, it can still interrupt smooth performance. Disabling this wake option helps prevent those background maintenance tasks from interfering while you're gaming, keeping your system focused on stable performance and smoother gameplay. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Startup Apps, and open it from the search results. This will take you directly to the list of applications that are configured to launch automatically when Windows starts. Once you're inside the Startup Apps menu, go through the list carefully and disable the programs you don't actually need running at startup. Things like launchers, updaters, or helper apps often start automatically even though they're not required for gaming. Think of startup apps like extra passengers getting into a car before a race begins. Even if they're not doing much, they still add weight and slow things down slightly. Disabling unnecessary startup programs helps your system start cleaner, reduces background resource usage, and keeps more CPU and RAM available for gaming performance and smoother gameplay. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Game Mode, and open Game Mode settings from the search results. When the page opens, turn Game Mode on. This tells Windows to prioritize the running game and reduce unnecessary background processes. Next, open the Graphics section inside the same settings area. Here you will find an option called Optimizations for Windowed Games. Turn this on so Windows can improve frame presentation and reduce latency for games running in windowed or borderless modes. After that, click Advanced Graphics Settings. Inside this menu, turn Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling on. This allows the GPU to manage its own memory queues more efficiently, which can help improve frame pacing and responsiveness. Now, scroll down to the section called Customize Settings for Applications. Click Add Desktop App, then browse and select your game's .exe file. Once the game appears in the list, click on it and open the GPU Preference option. Set it to high performance so Windows always uses the dedicated GPU instead of automatically deciding which graphics processor to use. Think of these settings like telling Windows exactly which application should get the best seat in the system. Instead of sharing resources equally with background apps, Windows focuses on your game, giving it better access to CPU and GPU resources for smoother gameplay and more stable performance. Alright guys, press the Windows key, type Group, and open the Group Policy Editor from the search results. Once the editor opens, navigate through the following folders. Open Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then System, then Power Management, and finally, open Power Throttling Settings. Inside this folder, find the policy called Turn Off Power Throttling and double-click it to open the configuration window. Set the policy to Enabled, then click Apply and OK to save the change. After that, restart your PC so the policy can fully take effect. Think of this setting like removing a speed limiter from your CPU during gaming. When power throttling is active, Windows may reduce CPU performance to save energy. Disabling this policy ensures the processor can maintain full performance during gameplay, helping your system deliver more consistent performance without unexpected slowdowns. Now guys, press the Windows key, type Task Scheduler, and open it from the search results. Once the Task Scheduler window appears, look at the panel on the left side and open the folder called Task Scheduler Library. Inside that folder, open Microsoft, then open Windows, and scroll until you find the folder named Application Experience. Click on Application Experience, and in the center list, locate the task called Microsoft Compatibility Appraiser. Right-click on it and choose Disable. Next, in the same Windows folder list, find the task called Startup App Task. Right-click Startup App Task and click Disable. These tasks normally analyze installed applications and manage startup behavior so Windows can maintain compatibility and track performance data. However, when they run in the background, they can briefly use CPU resources and storage access, which may interrupt smooth gameplay. Alright guys, press the Windows key, type Core Isolation, and open Core Isolation Settings from the search results. When the window appears, you'll see a toggle for memory integrity. Turn memory integrity off, then restart your PC so the change takes effect. A simple way to think about it is like adding an extra security checkpoint before every instruction reaches the CPU. It improves protection, but it also slows things down slightly because every operation has to pass through that extra layer. Disabling memory integrity removes that virtualization overhead, which can help your system dedicate more CPU resources to gaming performance. So guys, that's how you properly optimize Windows 11 for gaming and remove many hidden performance bottlenecks. If this helped improve your FPS and smoothness, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next optimization guide.